Hey guys, this is Mav, and today we're just going to do a short unboxing of the new Mi Band 4. So, right off the box, this is the design and the typical stuff. And it says here it's compatible with Android 4.4 and iOS 9 or above. And there's an extra detail here. It says it's color touchscreen, 580 water resistant, message view, and 20-day battery life. But for me, it still depends on how the user is going to use it for that 20-day battery life. So let's just open it. Right out of the box, this is the watch. Obviously, comes with black, of course. You're gonna have to buy a separate strap if you want a different color. And here is the manual, the user manual. And here we have the charging cable. Oh, very nice. So I guess that's basically it. So I'm going to be making another video for the in-depth review, and it's nice. That'll be all. Thanks. See ya.